Dear job seekers, this is our website Likeways.co.in. Strides Pharma announcing a walk-in interviews for the production and packing executive. The qualification required for the position is MSc, B.Pharm and M.Pharm, and those who have 2 to 5 years of experience are eligible. Responsibilities are mainly considered here: handling of QMS activities like deviation, OOS, OOT, CAPA, and responsible for execution and review of PMR and BPR, periodic review and verification of the e-logbook entries, etc. Walk-in is on 3rd September at Strides Pharma, and time will be 10:30 am to 5:30 pm. Address of the walk-in interview is Arco Private Limited, Corporate Office, 4th Phase, 15th Cross, Dollar Layout, JP Nagar, Bengaluru. If you have any queries, contact through given email. If you want further information about these walk-in, please visit our website. Share, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.